So this video is designed to show you the process of creating a Jamboard if you have not done that before, and also to walk you through what a Jamboard might look like for this assignment. So Jamboard is part of the Google Suite. If you have an email address, you can just go ahead and log in, and when you get to Jamboards, you'll have the opportunity to create a new Jamboard, and that will take you to a page that you can start using to create the product that you want to create. So you aren't making a Jamboard with this topic, but let's assume that you were having to make a Jamboard that said, what is Descartes' evil genius argument, and how is it an argument for doubting everything, including math? So when I think of evil geniuses, I always think of Dr. Evil from Austin Powers. So let's use Dr. Evil to represent the evil genius. And I imagine Dr. Evil up here sort of using his evil powers to change what Descartes is thinking. Whenever I picture Descartes doing some thinking, I always imagine him in that chair by the fire, the way he describes himself in the first meditation. Could try and draw Descartes in here, but I'm not that great of a drawer. So let's pull in an image of Descartes. That's a little easier to work with. So here we have Descartes sitting in his chair like he describes himself in his dressing gown and whatnot. Maybe you're a better artist than I am. So it's probably important here to at least label the evil genius here. And this one is obviously Descartes. As I make the space bigger, I can make the titles larger or smaller. And here we imagine that the evil genius is using that evil power to change how Descartes thinks. Now, one of the big things that the evil genius is about, here's a big thought bubble for Descartes here, is Descartes, at least at first, believed, well, even in dreams, something like 3 plus 3 always equals 6. But now that Descartes has the evil genius at play, it's a lot more uncertain that Descartes is in a position to even know this for sure. So the evil genius is making him doubt even mathematics, and that's really what's special about the evil genius argument relative to something like the dream argument. So I could add a little something here for my description and say, Descartes worries that the evil genius could deceive him even about math. Because evil genius could make something irrational seem rational by manipulating his mind. Now, maybe it's worthwhile for me to go in here and clarify these a little bit as well. So what is the evil genius? The evil genius is a creature of immense power, but evil intent to deceive humans. Alright, well, nothing too brilliant here, but it at least gives you an idea for how images, spatial layout, and text can be used to show what you understood for how Descartes' argument is working here. Let's put the title in, How the Evil Genius Argument Makes Descartes Doubt Even Math. So use your own creativity. Obviously, I only spent about 5 minutes making this. If there might be more I could put in here to make it more explanatory, but I wanted to give you a sense of how this works just in general. Once I have this, if I want to share it, which you do, because it should go in your discussion, just go ahead and click Share. Now it's important that when you share it, by default it will be restricted only to people you add. It's too difficult to add people one by one, so just click it to change to anyone with link can view. If you don't do that, people won't be able to find it. Then copy the link, and then when you go back into Canvas and you go into the discussion board, you can just post this link, and everyone in your group will be able to review your Jamboard. One thing that we didn't cover is how to get to the next page. So yours is going to have 6 pages or 6 frames. To get to the next frame, just go up to the top here and click, and you have a new frame. If you want to go back to your old frame, it'll be there, new frame there, and you can make another so that you have 6 in total. So good luck with the process. I hope this helps you feel confident that you can use this technology pretty easily to express your ideas in a new way still, but you're also using spatial layout and imagery to help show the complex ideas at work in Descartes' argument.